Welcome to creating a 2D Monster Tamer RPG with Phaser 3, an exciting journey into the world of game development. In this comprehensive course, you will learn how to build your very own 2D Monster Tamer RPG inspired by beloved Pokémon games using the powerful Phaser 3 library. We'll cover everything you need to know to create your own epic adventure from scratch using vanilla JavaScript. Get ready to dive into world battles, wild monster encounters, player interactions, and much more. Let's take a quick look at some of the main components we'll be building in this course. Battles. We'll learn how to create dynamic and engaging turn-based battles between players and wild monsters. We'll implement things like health bars, attacks, and special moves. Encountering wild monsters, we'll design a system that allows players to stumble upon wild monsters in the game world just like in Pokémon. Player input. We'll master the art of handling user input for character movement, menu navigation, and decision making. Collision will ensure that our characters' monsters interact realistically with the game environment, including walls, obstacles, and other objects. Animations will bring our game to life with very smooth animations for characters, monsters, and special effects. Creating the level, we'll learn to build immersive game levels using Tiled, the free and open source flexible level editor. We'll see how we can add in metadata to our level and how we can load that in our Phaser 3 game. Saving loaded data. We'll implement a save system so players can continue their adventure from where they left off. Interacting with game objects. We're going to enable players to interact with NPCs, items, and other elements in the game world. Game events. We'll create engaging storylines, events that unfold as players progress through the game, and so much more. So join us in building Monster Tamer, a game that will not only entertain players, but also teach you the fundamentals of game development and JavaScript programming. So don't miss out on this opportunity to create your own 2D RPG masterpiece.